Hello beautiful people, welcome to another vlog. This is Lynn Afros, and today we are looking into self-sufficiency in the village. The journey to self-sufficiency is often mistaken and idolized in a big way. It can easily turn into a money-making journey, because when you doing self-sufficiency, then the surplus becomes something that you can sell. When I used to live in town, the only thing that I could do to raise money was to work. Besides my job, I really didn't have anything else on the side. I know most people have several side hustles that I didn't get into, like maybe selling stuff in the market or any other stuff that you can be doing on the side. That was not my case. I used to be indoors whenever I'm not working. But here in the village, my free time is so filled with activities. It's always a beehive of activities, a little here, a little there, and the results are always wonderful. I don't know if you've ever had the opportunity to plant something and see it grow. Look at this. It surprises you. This is the first time I'm planting dengu. It's called green grams. I didn't know it grows so massively. I was surprised myself. Tell me in the comment section, have you ever grown green grams in your area? So I only tried this. I intercropped it with my corn. Kumbe, it grows and grows and grows, and it has a lot of productivity. It's just like 3 or 4 lines, but I've been harvesting lots and lots of these green grams, which we enjoy with rice or chapati here in Kenya. This is the first time I'm planting it. You apparently you harvest it in bits, because it matures at different stages. It produces a lot of pods. So these pods mature at different times of the year. Not really of the year, but the maturity period. So what happens is, when you have a few of them that have dried up, you have to harvest them, because you cannot wait for all of them to mature before you can do one major harvest. This is because the pods burst open when they dry up, and so if you wait for all of them to now get ready before you can do the major harvest, then it means you're going to lose a lot of seeds. And these are the seeds that we want. These are the seeds that we eat. Normally we do beans. So this is what we have right here. These are beans, the bigger pods. But now we tried the green grams and they're doing quite well. I'm even tempted to again plant them this season. So the mature ones are those that are looking yellowish. These ones right here, they indicate that they're now mature. They turn from green to a yellowish color, and then when they're now ready for harvest, the pod dries up and it becomes black in color. That's how you know that it's now ready for harvest. So the maize we intercropped the green beans with is ready, dry and ready for harvest, but the stalks are supporting the green grams so well. So we'll just take away the dried maize and leave the stalks standing to support the green grams until the last harvest. So these right here are the dried up, the mature and dried up green grams. That's how they look like, and we have a lot of them. See, this is the harvest that we've had right now, and as you can see, some pods are already bursting open, and those right there are the green grams. Is this what you call them in your area? So we've already also harvested this sorghum. It's called sorghum. It's like wimbi or the wheat family, I guess. And we use this for tea. You can use it for tea, for porridge. You mix it with millet, finger millet in your porridge. And this one was also just a small section of our kitchen garden that was hosting these beauties right here. But then again, we've managed to have a great harvest from that small. Once again, this was the first time I was planting this. You see, I've been in the countryside, in Kenya's countryside, for just a short while now. It's about the second year. And at first we acquired the land on which the house sits now. And then we acquired this other side behind the house, which is now our kitchen garden. And that's when we started experimenting with different varieties of foods for home consumption. But see, all these, it's a lot. We have a lot because you only need like a tin or gorogoro in Kiswahili of this, but now we have almost 5 of them from a very tiny piece. I didn't document the piece where we were harvesting this from. Should have seen it. It was so tiny, and we have this like 5 tins. So a tin is like 2 kg, so we have like 10 kgs of sorghum. So because this is my first time, I was also surprised to see how it's made, or rather separated from the stalks. And this wonderful woman right here knew exactly what to do, and she was helping me to make it nice enough for use, and I'm learning. Let me know, is this something you've ever done? Do you plant sorghum where you come from? Is this how you clean it? I don't know. This is winnowing. Yes, this is winnowing. I know winnowing, but I've never done it with this kind of food. And she was nice enough to help me separate the grains from the stalks and even clean it enough for use. This was a lot. I was really impressed. So this is the beauty of village life. All these are things that I will need to go to the market to get if I was living in town. Sometimes you wouldn't even think about some of these things because you have a tight budget when you're going for grocery shopping, and so you have to be picky. But if you're planting it right in your farm, then you get to enjoy in plenty things that you wouldn't otherwise enjoy. So we're having lots and lots of nutritious porridge because of this product right here. Sorghum it is. Mixed with finger millet, it makes really smooth porridge. So we're enjoying the benefits of countryside living, especially in terms of food. Did you know that in a household, the food budget takes a really big portion? I don't know if this is just my case. Has it been your case also in experience? The portion that you use for food allocation in your budget. For me, it's quite a lot. So when I have all these foodstuffs for free, it's a big save. And we get to have healthy food products right from our farm. Now you see how clean it becomes when it's done. This right here is what I was talking about. And this goes into our stores. This is wealth. it's another definition of what wealth really is. Being able to feed your family without a struggle. I believe this is the best form of wealth there is. I'm looking forward to planting more and more, experimenting with more foodstuffs. It's amazing how a huge variety of foodstuff grows in our area all year round, season after season, and it's my pleasure experimenting with all these foodstuffs and seeing what grows, how much it grows, and enjoying all that. I appreciate you for watching this far. Let me know what you enjoyed most. Let me know the kind of videos you love to see from the village in Migori County here in Kenya, Africa. And until the next one, I'm looking forward to hearing your comments down below. Bye.